Have you accidentally deleted important WhatsApp messages only to realize there is no backup? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether it was a chat with a friend, work-related conversation, or something sentimental, losing messages can be frustrating. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages even if you don't have a backup. Yes, it's possible, and I'll walk you through step-by-step methods that are safe, effective, and easy to follow. So let's jump right in and bring those lost messages back. Restore deleted WhatsApp messages without backup from iPhone and Android. In this video, we'll show you how to recover old WhatsApp messages without a backup using one of the most effective recovery tools available, tenorshare Old Data WhatsApp Recovery. This powerful software is designed to help you retrieve deleted or lost WhatsApp messages, media files, and other data from both Android and iOS devices. Whether you lost chats due to accidental deletion, a system crash, or even a factory reset, this tool has you covered. You'll find a download link for Old Data WhatsApp Recovery in the video description, so go ahead and get it set up on your computer. Once you have downloaded and installed the software, launch it. Click on Device to begin, and then choose whether you are using an Android or iOS device. If your phone isn't being recognized, don't worry. Just click the Device is connected but not recognized option and follow the on-screen instructions. For Android users, ensure the USB debugging is enabled. Old Data will walk you through the steps to activate it, then hit Start to begin scanning. If you're using an iPhone, then select the iOS option and connect your device. Once it's detected, simply click Start Scan. The software will then scan your device for recoverable data. Make sure to follow the instructions that appear during the process. Once the scan is complete, you will see all your WhatsApp data neatly listed. Select the messages, photos, videos, or documents you want to restore. Click the Recover button, choose where you want the recovered files saved, and hit OK. And that's it. You have successfully recovered your deleted WhatsApp messages. No backup needed. Retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages from iTunes. If you have previously backed up your WhatsApp messages using iTunes, you can restore them quite easily using that backup. Start by launching iTunes on your computer and connecting your iPhone. If prompted, tap Trust this computer on your device. Once your iPhone appears in iTunes, simply select it, then choose Restore Backup to recover your data. But here's the catch. Like many users, I don't have any iTunes backup available either. So if you're in the same boat, this method won't work. That's exactly why I recommend using a dedicated tool like tenorshare Old Data WhatsApp Recovery. It's a reliable, user-friendly solution that doesn't require any prior backups. Just install it, follow a simple steps, and you're on your way to retrieving deleted WhatsApp messages, photos, videos, and more. You'll find a download link in the video description. Give it a try and recover your messages with ease. And that's how you can recover your deleted WhatsApp messages even without a backup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future tips and tutorials. Got any questions or run into issues? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.